Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you that how you can install UncOver without a computer. This video is sponsored by TenorShare. TenorShare for you key to unlock disable iPhone without using iTunes. It unlocks iPhone, Apple ID, and lock screen, Touch ID, and Face ID. It bypasses iPhone password instantly. You can get TenorShare for you key software on Mac and Windows. Check out the website link in the description below. So head over to App Valley website. I'll link down below in the description. Install the profile. Now go to the setting, and there we go. You can see the profile download. Click install and provide your password, and then hit install for the downloading profile. So once you've done that, as you can see, App Valley has been on the home screen. Now open it, and until you see UncOver's latest version 5.0.2. So that was the latest version. Now as you can see, App Valley will start downloading because it is recently got signed, and that's why it is working right now. It might not work tomorrow or day after tomorrow, so don't worry about it, don't get panicked. And currently it's working, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified. As you can see, UncOver is downloaded. To fix that certificate, go to the setting in general and profile management, and there we go. You just trust the certificate. Now head over to home screen, and there we go. You can see UncOver is now completely working, and the latest UncOver version is 5.0.2. Make sure you put your device on the flight mode and start jailbreaking. There we go, the jailbreak has been completed, and the device now is getting respring. That means we are completely jailbreaked. Now as you can see, all the tweaks are working. So guys, that's it for today. See you in the next video. This is Shivam signing off, and it's always peace.